It's your first year in college. And like Robert, you're hungry for success, financial independence, career. You wonder that which industry holds your future. And then, just when you are about to give up, something that's not just revolutionary but game changing. This ChatGPT, it's amazing. I've never been this productive. Yes, the world of artificial intelligence, a realm of endless possibilities and the future's most potent sector. But with the vastness of the web, where does one start? Like many, Robert found directionless content that added no value. But that's where we come in. In this video, you will get AI development roadmap. There are 7 steps in this video that if you follow, you can become AI developer. Number 1. Learn basics of maths. Yes, I know. Some people who are watching this video will shut the video because they are afraid of maths. But you have to learn basics of maths like linear algebra, probability and statistics and calculus. Mathematics is backbone of AI algorithms. It will be hard. Give yourself 3 months to clear the basics. You will find plenty of channels that teaches maths on YouTube. Number 2. Learn Python and understand data. Python is the best language for AI development because of its extensive library. It is useful for statistics and data visualization. Understanding data is important because machine learning hugely relies on data. It needs data to learn about the patterns and then make prediction and decision without specially programmed for that task. Put your hands on data structures like lists, trees, graphs, queues and stacks. Understand which structure to use in different conditions. After learning data structure, jump onto data visualization. 2 tools that are amazing for data visualization are Matplotlib and Seaborn. These tools are in Python. Their purpose is to organize data and make it easy to look and understand. You can learn about Python for free on YouTube. Just write Python for beginners and you will get plenty of videos from where you can learn Python. There are hundreds of codes on YouTube. Number 3. Learn about machine learning. Machine learning is a process to teach robots or AI to recognize text, images, voice, etc. It is like teaching a person how to ride a bike. Machine learning is the most crucial thing in AI development. Learn about different algorithms in machine learning. Supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning are some algorithms that you should know about. You can learn about machine learning from a free course, Machine Learning by Andrew Ng on Coursera. Number 4. Understanding deep learning. Deep learning is an advanced version of machine learning. Its purpose is same as machine learning, to teach AI to learn to recognize images, text and sound but at an advanced level. Understand about basics of neural network. Learn about CNN and RNN. CNN are like detectives, focusing on small cues in images to understand the big picture. RNN are storytellers that remember the story sequence to understand and continue the tale. Use platforms like TensorFlow or PyTorch. Deep Learning Specialization by Andrew Ng on Coursera. It is a free course to learn about deep learning. Read books like Deep Learning by Goodfellow, Bengio and Corville. It is often considered the deep learning Bible. Number 5. Specialized AI domain. In this step, you have to learn about NLP, natural language processing, computer vision and robotics. In essence, NLP lets machine understand and speak human language. Computer vision is like giving eyes to a machine, letting it understand and react to what it sees. Robotics is about turning intelligent software into moving, interacting machine in the real world. Number 6. Try to put your hands on simple projects. Use platforms like Kaggle for beginner-friendly projects. As you advance, consider building chatbots, recommendation systems, or even AI-driven games. Number 7. Stay updated and network. AI is rapidly evolving each day. To be updated with the trends and new launches, join AI community and network with like-minded people. Join forums like Stock Overflow, AI Conference, and webinars. I have listed all the links for free courses, study materials, and books that will make your life easy. Becoming an AI developer is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about consistent learning, application, and passion. As you progress, remember to frequently collaborate, build, and refine your skills. The world of AI is vast and ever evolving. There's always something new to explore.